But Raju from Bengaluru is calling us. Raju, hi. Morning. How can we help you
Hi,
today?
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead.
Sir, KPIT Technology 800 quantity in average price 1,350 and correct loss in profit 1,20,000. Seller holds of technical analysis short term 3 months.
3 months. Okay. All right. So you heard the question. On the charts then, what would you do, Rajesh, on this one? Would you hold because it's a pretty steep loss?
So as of now, hold on to it. The stock is forming base somewhere around 1160 and 1170. And during the April to May month, the stock had seen bounce from this level. So as of now, hold. But again, on a bounce somewhere around 1340 to 1350, we need to recheck if there is positive momentum. If in that case, hold on to it, or else exit on a bounce towards 1350 levels.
Okay, we've got our next question from Seema, who's writing us from Jodhpur, and her question is on PFC and REC. She's sitting on loss of around 18 to 25% is what she's saying. 18% on PFC and 25% on REC. She's not given us the quantity and the price at which she's bought, but wants a view from the next 2-year perspective. Samir, I'll come to you on this one. What's the view like?
So I'd say hold on to both of them. I think the opportunity for the power sector continues to remain good. There's a lot of traction happening in the renewable space. And at the end of the day, PFC and REC are not agnostic to the fact that they don't have to only lend to thermal plants. They can also lend to these solar plants. And as that scales up and they grow their loan book, we believe the valuations are relatively attractive. Of course, they've always been attractive, but we believe there can be a re-rating plus growth. So I think one can hold on. Unfortunately, I think she bought it when the stock ran up too much. So stay put. I think you will make money if you can. I would say even buy some more at these levels. Both are looking attractive at this point.
Okay, but you would buy evenly, you would split it evenly, or would you pick one or the other?
So I picked PFC over REC for the very simple reason that with PFC being the 51% promoter not promoter, but holder of REC, you are getting to play REC as well, right? Through that. So it becomes easier just for me to manage one. And if I look at the overall, if I take out the value of REC from the value, the holding value, if I subtract it from PFC's book value, PFC, I think, is trading at a book value of 0.8, which is extremely attractive. I think 5 times the earnings if I subtract everything. So for me, PFC is probably an all outright buy.
Okay, all right. PFC over REC is what Samir is saying. All right.